Hello and welcome back to another installation of me trying to do some bodge DIY job on my new VW T6. Today we're going to fit some sexy little LED sequential lights. Okay, let's cue intro. Oh no, I haven't made one of those yet, so we better just get on with this then. Alright, well, because I'm a bit of a kit whore, I've gone and bought myself, ooh, look at that. I don't know what half the things in here for, but apparently I need some of this stuff to get off this light here. Okay, and I've gone, I think it's custom V-dubs possibly, and bought these sequential lights. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos as per everything else. Remember, I'm trying to work towards my official qualified YouTube mechanic badge. And what I'm going to do is try to get these on there with a minimal amount of fuss. It's 5 to 7 now, sun goes down at past, so I've given myself at least 25 minutes to really bodge this up. Let's see how easy or how difficult it is. Here we have the pre-indicator looking very plain and boring. Let's see if we can sort that out. Okay, what I'm going to do is use one of these two things. They're quite good looking. I think it's going to be that one. I'll put that on the seat there. Now apparently you just need to get under here, and they're quite stiff, but you need to get in and sort of work it all out. Oh gosh, that doesn't, oh, there we go. Aha, here we go. That seems quite simple. Oh, I didn't lose the thing. And there's the tape. Come on, tape. No way. Oh, a feather. How did that get in there? What has somebody hit to get a duck feather in there? Please tell me there's not a bird nesting in that place. Let's have a little get this off. Now, I have no idea how you get a feather in there. I really should have thought about some alcohol wipes before this. Yep, didn't think of that whatsoever, Longshanks. Oh no, that's going to be the undoing of me, isn't it? Having a... Oh, you absolute belter. And I don't think I've got anything that's going to take that off with me. Oh, and I've wet that now, haven't I? Let's get that all dried up. Honestly, I'm no good at this sort of stuff. I could probably get some of that off though, and probably need a dry cloth. I wonder if that stickiness will help keep the next bit of sticky in line. What do you reckon? Worth a bet? Worth a gamble? Probably not. Have I got a dry bit of this cloth? Probably not. What have I got to dry it? Probably nothing. Honestly, not from weeks ago. Right. Well, that seems reasonably simple enough. So I'm going to pull that back. Pull that out. Somehow. Nope. Nope. Oh, this is where that clips on there. That pulls back. And then... Oh, I'm going to knacker something, aren't I? Oh, best check the other one. Looks like that. So... hang on. So there's a clip on both sides. Right. Right, if that unclips like that, then that should just, in theory, just pop off. Of course, these things never pop off, do they? Oh no, I'm going to break it. That's okay, let's get that in there. Let's get the other one in. Yeah, that goes, that clips. Oh, I'm a bit concerned about this. get him off there. Why couldn't I have just got some alcohol rub? I know this is going to come off, I just know it. Yet I continue. Right. And I probably think people thinking now, what are you doing? You haven't cleaned the surface. You've bodged that. Well, yeah, kind of the whole thing about this channel. I have bodged it. Right. Right, how do we... Oh no, I didn't look where it fits. Ooh. That looks good, doesn't it? Oh. Should we try the other side and see if it's any easier? Well, I don't know. I'll do the other side, I'll come back and tell you how it went. Well, that didn't seem too difficult. All I needed was that little red plastic thing. Yeah, they look alright. I didn't clean all the excess residue from the old sticky off completely because I didn't have any alcohol stuff and I didn't think of that beforehand. So I've just gone for it anyway, and fingers crossed they're going to stay on. Well, let's give it a whirl and see how it looks. I guess it's going to be time for the big reveal. So let's have a look. That is actually quite sexual, isn't it? Oh, I could look at that all day. Until next time, catch you later. I just want to have another look at it.